Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video I'm back with my buddy
Walchat again.
And we have a new multi-game card for the Sega Megadrive. And a really old one. It's the 105 in 1. So it's a totally different version. If you look at the label, it is not the best label I've seen. It's an old version, so no save function.
It's a shame it's cut off from above.
Yep, and there's no save function, so it's a real oldie. And it's almost retro. And yeah.
Also, the print quality isn't so great.
It comes with a better shell. It's not the cheapest shell you can get. This one is screwed together with two little Parkers. So this is very nice. But with nothing. So let's test it out. Let's see what kind of games we have. So the list starts very nice. Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3. So this is something you don't see very often. Jurassic Park Lost World.
Super Mario!
Number 2. Rockman Mega World. Oh, that's a very nice game. Wait, we have Jurassic Park Lost World and Jurassic Park. Fatal Fury.
Donkey Kong 99.
Control on it. Aladdin. Street Fighter 2. Oh yeah, 2 Turbo, the fake version. Oh, wait. Before I go in. Sonic and Knuckles. Alright. That is the first time I've seen this game on a multi-game card. Barbie is on it. Barbie Vacation Adventure. Oh, I'm so excited. Street Racer. Okay. Sonic Spinball. The list is a little bit messed up. There's no alphabetical order, so that's a little bit of a bummer. So yeah, that's it.
Hokuto Onken. That's for Robert.
Let's see. Let's play some of the game. Let's play some of the games. I have seen this game before.
Dit is just Mario Bros van de NES. In 16-bit graphics.
Homebrew game. Yo! I can remember this game.
A Japanese game.
I played this game on the Game Boy.
Yu Hachu!
I don't want to fight you! Just walking away. I'm just walking away from the fight. Virtual Bard. Alright.
No line.
Alright. Oh.
What? This game? I've never seen this before.
No, I also never seen it before. What? Need to stay on the water. More time. Oh, I missed it. What the heck? Oh. Christy down. Alright, Sonic and Knuckles.
Yeah, it's indeed Sonic Knuckles. This one is missing on a lot of multi-cards.
Yep.
Asterix and the Great Rescue. Very funny game.
I'm Master X and I'm hitting everything with my face, with my fist. Wow, that's annoying. I'm gonna get hit. Ah.
Super Asterix.
Old school adventure game.
He looks evil.
Bum, bum. Oh, that sounds really weird. It's me. I think it's me, but. Yes, we found a typo. We have Michelle Jackson's.
It's the brother of Michael. You didn't know? Bubble and Squeak. Best buddies forever.
Abracadabra! You're now a coin I collect. Yeah. Can I stamp on it? No. I need it.
You need to throw stars at him. Can you draw?
Yep. I am stuck. Oh, no.
This game looks boring. Kill the worms. Stardom.
It's just a big adventure game for kids.
Whip it.
If you're naughty, you're gonna get whipped.
And it got Street of Rage 2, but
Does it have turbo sound? Let's hear.
I hope not.
Yep,
Holy crap!
because they're using the wrong ROM. That is the main problem with this thing. Here it comes.
What the fuck?
If you play this game on an original NTCS or 60 Hz, it works fine. But
Okay, it's because you were playing on a pulse system.
yep. But the funny thing
You're
is,
expecting it that it will go slower instead of faster. But it's only the sound that's so fast.
Yep.
Because the game itself is normal, or not?
yeah, indeed.
And again, it's the unreleased Turbo Edition. No Super,
No championship.
indeed.
We're having the extra characters, so that sound.
Yeah. It's definitely unfinished. Als you sometimes don't hear the move sounds from all characters. Here, you don't hear nothing. Really weird.
So, for the final conclusion, I think this is a very unique collection of games, but no save function.
Well, it doesn't even have games on it that you need to save, so...
Yeah, but keep in mind, if you have a save function card, it remembers the last game you have played.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So a little bit extra function you don't have on this one, and no alphabetic order. You cannot skip. If you're using the main menu, you only can press down and up to go to the same list. There is no
so
other
it will
button.
take forever to go to number 100.
So that is a little bit what you're going to get. Not a very nice sticker. Cut off wrong. And overall, this is what you're going to get. Not the best collection, but it's a unique collection.
Yeah, it got Sonic Knuckles.
Yeah. Woo, but no Sonic 1, 2 or 3.
I didn't notice them, but I don't think they have it.
So that concludes a little bit of this video. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell. And see you next time.
Bye bye.